How to erase iPhone after failed passcode attempts. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. Enter your current passcode over here. You will then be brought to the Face ID and Passcode settings page. Over here, you can manage apps using Face ID and other iPhone access settings, set up alternative appearances and change your passcode. Now, scroll down to the end and go to Erase Data. Tap on Erase iPhone switch to turn it on. A warning page appears explaining that all content and settings will be deleted from this device. Tap on Enable to confirm that you want to proceed. This setting will erase all data on this iPhone after 10 failed passcode attempts. Following these steps, you can easily erase an iPhone after failed passcode attempts.